Hello everyone. So here's my recipe of homemade chocolate cake from scratch. I have divided this recipe into two parts. First is making the chocolate frosting and part 2 is for baking the cake and frosting it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here's the list of ingredients. Here I have 3/4 cup of butter at room temperature, 2 cups of powdered sugar or icing sugar, about 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of salt. Here I have my mixing bowl into which I'll add the butter. And then I'll add the sugar. Before using the hand mixture, I'll mix this with a spatula to avoid spilling of sugar. Now we'll mix this using a hand mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the butter is fluffy. It should look something like this. Now we will add the cocoa powder to the butter. Mix it for a minute or two and then we will add the vanilla essence and the salt. Again mix well and then start adding the heavy whipping cream. We will add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream at a time. Do not forget to clean the bowl in between. Beat it again for 5 more minutes or until the frosting is fluffy and shiny. So here is the final look of our homemade chocolate frosting. Stay tuned for the next part of baking the cake and frosting it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.